When your vehicle is broken down on the side of the road, it triggers a domino effect that is felt from your transportation managers to your customer. And as maintenance of commercial vehicles becomes more complex because of advanced vehicle technology, high procurement costs, regulations, technician training, and labor shortages, the right maintenance program can be the difference between your company's success and failure. In 2012, Florida-based North American Transport Services experienced these maintenance challenges and turned to Ryder on-site maintenance to help them overcome complexities.
North American Transport Services is a short to medium haul truckload carrier. Founded in 2004 with 3 trucks, we transport 100% dry freight across the eastern and midwestern United States.
During the first few years of operation, the company had their fleet maintenance performed through local dealers. Then, after experiencing crippling downtime when a vehicle would go in for service, they decided to perform maintenance on their own and created an on-site service center that they managed. However, as their business and fleet grew, so did its challenges. Today, North American Transport Services has a fleet of roughly 275 tractors and 400 trailers that carry approximately 791,000 tons of freight and travel more than 28 million miles annually. Like most companies, North American Transport Services didn't go into business to deal with the day-to-day management of maintaining their fleet. So the decision to look for a better way to maintain their fleet became increasingly important as they wanted to focus on growth and their core business.
We had many deficiencies on the equipment maintenance. Equipment maintenance is a fundamental part of any trucking company, but presents its own challenges, such as shop organization, efficiencies, parts, liability, insurance, employee payroll, and we could not get full control of these objectives. And that's why we choose Ryder.
Ryder and North American Transport Services teams worked closely to develop an implementation plan, assess the needs of the company, and create standardized processes to ensure the desired outcomes would be achieved.
Ryder presented a solid plan of implementation of the mechanic shop. We asked a lot of questions and we investigated a lot through presentations with Ryder. And this is a process that it was carefully planned with the Ryder team in collaboration with the management of the company. And we're very pleased with the results.
We perform the maintenance 24/7 and our service manager is on call at all times. The relationship has grown to 450 on-site full-service lease units, and we customize our scheduling, and we're their dedicated provider out of a 2-bay shop where we have 8 technicians and 1 service manager performing the work.
As the partnership focuses on continuous improvement and growth, Ryder and North American Transport Services meet weekly to review metrics and optimize the operation.
We have increased uptime and equipment utilization, and this is associated with a set of parameters associated with Ryder controlling the mechanic shop facility. Number 1 is scheduled maintenance and repair of our units. Number 2 is the mechanic shop efficiencies and organization by providing trucks ready in less than 24 hours. Number 3 is significantly less truck breakdowns, allowing us to have more trucks available to our customers and to our drivers.
The Ryder on-site fleet maintenance solution allowed North American Transport Services to reduce breakdowns by more than 80%, maximize uptime at 98%, optimize transportation costs, and provided access to Ryder's procurement power, ultimately allowing more time to focus on its core business strengths.
Choosing a partner like Ryder that actually has a lot of experience on managing shops is a peace of mind that I would recommend to any business owner.
Discover how Ryder on-site maintenance can optimize your fleet maintenance. Ryder.com/onsite.